So in the fourth lesson of this unit, students are going to be creating captions for an image that they're going to incorporate into their research paper. One of their requirements is that they're going to need to have two images with captions as a part of their research paper, and so this could be a very overwhelming task for some students, and so I thought it would be good to have a lesson that was dedicated just to helping students find images that are relevant to their topic and then helping them write an appropriate caption for that picture. So they are going to go through an activity where they haven't really talked very much about captions or the vocabulary around that, and they're just going to do an icebreaker activity where they are looking at an image of themselves in a previous experience that they've all had together and kind of creating a main idea or writing one sentence about what's happening in the picture, and then based off of that they're going to open a discussion about how they came about with that sentence and talking about captions and specific vocabulary, and then connecting that to the requirement to have an image and some captions in their paper. And so the teacher will also model this practice of using the computer to look for an image, and the teacher should be talking about, as they're modeling this practice, what is going on in their head, how they're formulating these ideas, what types of pictures they should be looking for, and what types of information the pictures or the images will convey to the reader, and how the caption helps to support that image. And so again, it's another lesson where there's a lot of explicit instruction, there's modeling, and then they move into some guided practice where they get to have discussions with their peers, and they get a chance to complete this independently, and ultimately they will be uploading an image with a caption to a drive that the teacher will be able to see later. And so that, again, just so that so that the teacher can make sure that the students are on the right track and understanding what's going on, and if they're not, addressing that, providing more support to help them and guide them in finding these images. And it just kind of, this lesson also just kind of reiterates how to find a main idea out of something, what facts are important, and why the students find them important, and that will help the teacher provide support for them as they move through the writing process and writing their research paper.